Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Ever feel like you're stuck in a productivity rut? Like no matter how hard you try, you just can't seem to get ahead? Well, today's video is your ultimate game changer. We're diving into a 60-day productivity challenge packed with actionable hacks, one for each day, to transform how you work, think, and live. Ready to level up? Let's jump in. Here's the deal. For the next 60 days, you'll adopt one productivity hack daily, grouped into weekly themes. No overwhelm, just steady progress. I'll walk you through each theme, highlight key hacks, and share tips to stay consistent. Grab a notebook. This is gold. Weeks 1 to 2. Foundations and time management start strong. Days 1 to 15 focus on routines and efficiency. Wake up at the same time, day 1. Plan your day the night before, day 2, and master the Pomodoro technique, day 3. By week 2, you'll batch tasks, day 10, and use the Eisenhower matrix, day 5, to crush priorities. Weeks 3 to 4. Health and energy boosters fuel your body and mind. Hydrate first thing, day 9. Exercise daily, day 10, and try a cold shower, day 35. Protect energy with power naps, day 18, and hourly stretches, day 40. Weeks 5 to 6, deep focus and elimination. Minimize distractions. Use noise-canceling headphones, day 17. Block social media, day 30, and practice single tasking, day 28. Declutter your workspace, day 15, and say no guilt-free, day 19. Weeks 7 to 8, habits and automation. Build systems that stick. Track habits, day 37. Automate repetitive tasks, day 25. And delegate, day 26. Use the 5-second rule, day 46, to act before doubt kicks in. 5. Weeks 9 to 10. Advanced mastery level up. Optimize with the Ivy Lee method, day 42. Learn keyboard shortcuts, day 56. And reflect nightly, day 57. Ever tried eating the frog? Day 47. Do your hardest task first, point 6. Final days, sustainability lock in lifelong habits. End with a shutdown ritual, day 60. Practice gratitude, day 24. And review weekly wins, day 7. Want the full 60-day checklist? It's in the description. Download it free. Smash that subscribe button if you're ready to transform your productivity. Drop a comment with your day 1 hack. Remember, productivity isn't about doing more. It's about doing what matters. See you in 60 days. Go get 'em!